Unsolved Mysteries of the Universe. You think we understand the universe? Think again. Right now, scientists are baffled by invisible matter, unexplained radio signals, and the terrifying question of how the universe will end. Stay with me, because once you hear these mysteries, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. 1. Dark matter, the invisible glue. Let's begin with dark matter. Scientists believe it makes up nearly 85% of everything in the universe. But here's the catch. We can't see it, can't touch it, and can't even detect it directly. The only clue? Galaxies are spinning so fast that they should fall apart, but something invisible is holding them together. That something is dark matter. 2. Dark energy, the force that pushes galaxies apart. If dark matter wasn't strange enough, there's dark energy. The universe isn't just expanding, it's speeding up every second. Imagine an invisible force pushing billions of galaxies farther apart like cosmic balloons. What is dark energy? A new kind of energy, a property of space itself. Nobody knows. But without it, the universe would look completely different. 3. Black holes, the cosmic monsters. Then there are black holes, cosmic monsters with gravity so strong, not even light can escape. We've captured their shadows, but what happens inside remains a mystery. Do they destroy information forever? Or could they be portals to other universes? If so, a black hole might be more than just a cosmic graveyard. It could be a gateway. 4. Fast radio bursts, signals from the unknown. Astronomers have also detected powerful signals from deep space called fast radio bursts. These flashes last only milliseconds, but release more energy than our sun produces in days. Some repeat from the same location, while others vanish forever. Natural? Maybe. But some scientists whisper a chilling possibility. Could they be signals from an advanced civilization? 5. The fate of the universe. The ultimate mystery. And then comes the biggest question of all. How will the universe end? Will it expand forever into cold emptiness? Will gravity pull everything back into a fiery collapse? Or is the universe trapped in an endless cycle, dying and being reborn again and again, like a heartbeat of eternity? The truth is, no one knows, yet. The universe is filled with mysteries we may never fully solve. But maybe that's the beauty of it. Every unanswered question pushes us to keep exploring. So tell me, which of these mysteries gave you chills? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more journeys into the unknown, hit that subscribe button, because we're only just getting started.